How's it going? Joe Gomez here with Atturo Tires. We are in Butler, Pennsylvania for Bantam Jeep Festival, and it's our third year sponsoring the Babes of Bantam Trail Ride. It's a very fun ride that's a great confidence builder for all the female drivers, and you also get to share the ride with everyone along. You also build confidence in your vehicle, and we really enjoy it to see everyone out here and keep growing more and more, hopefully that as you keep growing and working with your Jeep, you take us as an option. We hope you enjoyed all the footage that we're collecting this week, and please go online, check us out on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and check out some of our videos and stuff, and don't forget to air up before you hit the road.
I'm Tyler and I'm at Bantam Jeep Festival. I'm running Atturo Trailblade MTs on my Wrangler. They clean up pretty good in the mud. Never gotten stuck. Running a 3.5-inch coil spacer lift. I take it off-road probably every other weekend, so I'm pretty frequently off-road. Tires, I just got these. They're probably about 1,000 miles on them. They've done perfect. They clean up real well. The road noise is pretty soft. Yeah, and that's it. This is my Jeep.
Brandon, this is my 2012 JKU. Started building that I think 2 years ago. Not much done to it. It's got a 2.5-inch Rubicon Express lift, Anthem Dunners, 20x12s wrapped in Atturo Trailblade MTs, 35x1250s. Got a stubby front bumper. Steel back bumper. I don't do too much with it. It gets me to where I need to go. Do a lot of union work, so union made, gets me my money. What I like about the tires is they're quiet, they're muddy, they're grippy, mud trains, and they're overall really good. Probably buy another pair.
Hi guys, my name's Ashley. This is my 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sport. I've had my Atturo Trailblade XTs for about a year now, and I absolutely love them. They have about 25,000 miles on them. There's a 2-inch Rubicon Express lift on. I have the 20-inch Black Rhino Overland. My favorite mod would definitely be my XTs.